Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, the morning market stir for Thursday, January 25th. Up, down, all around yesterday. Stocks had new records but ended up with a mixed market finish. Had the S&P essentially unchanged on the session, the Dow was up 40 points, and the NDX actually losing 1/3%, but let's put it in perspective, it was near 10% so far in 2018 at the highs yesterday. So other markets on the move. It was all about the dollar being down. The dollar printed at 88, a handle not seen in 3 years. The euro currency surged. Euro currency yesterday was at 124.50, closing in on that 125 target we've talked about. So that bounced gold up $20, multi-month highs there in the gold market yesterday. And crude finally did it. Finally saw $65. That was our measured move target of the 1 year range from 45 to 55. That suggested 65. Finally got there yesterday. Actually printed 66 in the afternoon session. So where do we stand here on Thursday morning after that unwinding action and then a rebound back to steady yesterday? Well, right now stocks are positive once again, closing in on the all-time highs. The S&P right now is up 10, just shy of the record high. The Dow's up 100 right now, and the NDX is up 45 points. Not at a new record in the futures market, but getting close. Gold's down $2, backing off a bit, but the big surge is in the euro currency. 125.50, so highest level we've seen since 2014 in that euro currency as the dollar continues down. And looking at the board right now, crude is at 66.50, so the rally run continues there. 70 is the next target. That's the midpoint of the recent swing high at 114 to that extreme low at $26. So to summarize, stocks are stronger once again, closing in on all-time highs. And what's interesting here is this is all happening without Apple. Apple in the last month is actually negative. So that's a big barometer of the market and participates obviously in the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. So those markets continue to make new highs without Apple really having much of an impact on the price. So right now I've got the S&P up 9, the Dow futures up 100, and the NDX up 45, about 1/3% pop as we get into the market open. Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.